And special thanks to our friends over at CARER, who were nice enough to send us this set of mesh postpartum underwear. Now, these are, of course, women who have just had a child, and as many of you may know, my wife is having one, so that is a little sticker there. So you get the 2 packs, and just gonna open one to show you what you're really getting here, but they are completely air sealed. So taking one of these air sealed bags, and you can see you get a good mini air. Wow, this is actually, what do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there should be 16 total in this little kit here. And that's what they would look like. So super, super stretchy. See how easy they are to stretch right into anything. And great for, so these are seamless, they're unisex, they're latex free. You can kind of see essentially what they would look like here. Thanks to the company who was nice enough to send these to me. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.